so cool. Someone let me talk to those kids. He's a big fat meanie. He said, life is a race. What'd you say?
Life is a race and we're winning it.
Yeah, we're winning it. We're not even moving. Look how fast we're moving. Do do do.
Oh yeah, sure. Now when we're going slow.
He didn't want me to talk to those kids. He's an asshole. I was trying to make friends, MySpace friends, actually. What a jerk.
It's just whining. Let's fucking hike up.
I whine. Oops. Look, now I look like a lifeguard. Haha. Too bad it's not pink. That's what it's supposed to be. Proper sunscreen usage and hydration is essential to having a pleasant experience on an outing like this. How lame is that? Look, we got Santee Cooper water for free. But not really for free because we had to pay $15 to do this. But that's okay. I got Santee. I'm not talking to myself, I'm talking to the camera.
Are you narrating?
Yes, I'm narrating, Jason.
What's wrong with these kids catch up with us?
Oh, now Jason wants me to be friends with the kids. Do you remember their names?
Frankie was one of them.
There's a deer.
A deer? Oh.
I just kidding, it was a squirrel. I was trying to get a deer? Where? From Jason.
Yeah.
He's not as gullible as I thought he was. Put my legs up like this so I can get a suntan. Well, Jason,
yeah, I'm trying to get some sun on these puppies.
Jason is white.
I know.
Would you like to see how white Jason is? Look how white Jason is.
Don't, it'll mess up the lens of the camera. That's how bad it is.
Jason's white as shit. Hey, no cussing. The children are approaching.